Hold on. Don't.
You navigate then. Oh my gosh.
Hellstorm 2010. Canyon.
Getting ready for the wedding.
Attacking.
Get some lightning.
Well, I'm not trying to not get pelted by these.
Oh, that car is just covered in hail. This car coming up.
God, it is.
Covered.
Oh, let's see if I can get it. Zoom on in there. That car. Can't. Whoa. The rent-a-car getting pelted. Pelted. Rent-a-car.
I wonder if there's any tornadoes.
Wow.
Jay called the insurance company for the rent-a-car.
Oh my gosh. Holy shit. All hell, ladies. All hell.
Oh my God, it's coming in! This is nice!
This is crazy.